What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Long day. Finally just got done work. We're heading to Kies Motorsports. Let's go. Alright, so as you guys can tell by the title of this video, we are heading over to Kies Motorsports for the first time ever. I'm going to get a charge pipe upgrade. You know, I'm just kind of sick of bugging out everywhere I go, thinking the terrible plastic's about to explode on me, being that, and for those of you who've been following the channel, we have a JB1 tune. Eventually we're going to go with the flash transmission tune, probably boot mode, probably just because I'm eventually going to be going back to Kies Motorsports, as well as the show that's in a few weeks. So yeah, we got about 30 minutes. Let's get it. So yeah, like I mentioned, the Kies Motorsports Auto Show is on July 7th, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. It's going to be a good time. I'm going to be meeting up with some friends over there. Hopefully I got some homies coming with me. It's going to be a good time. Let me know if I'll see you guys there. Let me know if you're going. It's definitely going to be a good time. They got a lot of, cool prizes they're giving out. It's, for going to a good cause. It's a beautiful charity. I was watching Brian's video today, and it's going to a family who... someone in their family has cancer, so, hashtag, F cancer, but they don't know that Kies Motorsports is doing this, so this is a phenomenal cause, so definitely come out and support. It's going to be, really cool, a lot of BMWs, really good cause to support something for someone who doesn't even know it's coming, so it's going to be really cool when, someone finds out, whoever that blessed family may be, that, this entire event is for them, so... that's really cool, so that's awesome of Kies Motorsports. God bless that family who's got to go through that. That's life, but it is what it is. Pulling up to the spot. I feel like I've seen this place in so many videos. Cool to actually get here myself. First time. It's good to see some Beamer gang. Mirror caps.
So we're on this 235 today. We're putting in a new charge pipe, as you guys probably already know. And the first thing we went ahead and did is remove the belly pan with all these 8mm screws. So we have some guides up on our channel, Kies, if you want to check those out. And then the next thing you need to do is disconnect the charge pipe from the intercooler. There's a black retainer clip that holds these two prongs in place. You kind of break that off because you don't need to reuse it, and then you pry this out. And then up top, what you're going to want to do is remove this little piece right here, and this is held in by a T20. And this is just going to give us some more play to pull the charge pipe out of the motor. Now you do want to try to let your car cool down, but of course we're trying to be quick, so we're going to try just not to get burnt. So up top of your charge pipe is a retainer clip right here. It's similar to the one that we pulled out from the bottom that we just showed you guys, but this one's a little bit thicker, so don't mix them up. Alright, there we go. And we're going to disconnect this sensor right here. What I like to do is, because these tabs tend to be brittle, is take a pick tool and just pry that tab up and then pull the sensor out. Like so. And now we can wiggle the pipe off. Right. So you're gonna want to see down in here. I don't know if you can see that. Right there.
Yeah, you got it.
All right. Right here is a bracket held in by a 13mm bolt, and this holds in your stock charge pipe, but the new one does not need it. So we go ahead and remove that, and it makes pulling this charge pipe and installing the new one a lot easier. So obviously I already loosened this up, and I'm just going ahead and remove it now. Let me get my other. Make sure I don't drop anything.
Out with the old, in with the new. No horror stories of this exploding for me.
And always make sure to install your gaskets. Either transfer them over from your old charge pipe, or if you bought new ones, make sure you put those in, or you're going to have a boost leak. Little installation tip, we've done a lot of these and we've learned a few tricks over the years. And when you're installing this, you want this to be oriented in the upright position. It has to install in that way if you have an OEM intercooler, but if you've upgraded your intercooler, you're not going to have this little notch. So make sure you still install it in this way, because that's going to make sure the angle of the rest of the pipe is correct. And what we like to do is orient this clamp right here in the same direction as this, so as you're pushing it down from the top and you lose your sense of orientation, you know that this is also in the same direction that this is facing. That just really makes the install a lot quicker. You gotta have this on there. I'm gonna turn this around, I think. And you always got to watch your steering rack that comes down right here, that you're not getting too close to that. Sometimes with this brand it can get a little hairy.
Yeah, so I can't lie, the forged carbon looks absolutely amazing. It doesn't really look that cool in videos. I mean, I've seen a couple cars and it just looks cool in pictures, and then you see it in person and it's like, wow. Yeah, that's a must get, 100%. I love me the carbon fiber, the forged carbon, sheet. Alright, so we just finished up. I gotta give a huge thank you to Cliff. Actually just got to meet Brian, so that was pretty cool too. I'm sitting next to this sweet M3, you know, this spot. There's a little hidden gem over here, Kies Motorsports. I've never been before, but I will most certainly be back. It's crazy, I live not even 30 minutes away, and I've never been, so, you know, it's cool to, you know, find shops that specialize in BMWs, especially since, you know, I've had one for a while. So I really respect what they're doing over here. This shop is literally a hidden gem. Alright, so all in all, as we chase the golden hour, trying to get some nice sunset pics. Not bad. Kind of missed it, kind of caught it. New charge pipe. So all in all, I'm super content. It was really cool meeting Cliff, really cool meeting Brian. Really good guys. I'm super content. Now I don't got to worry about it every time I drive the car blowing this charge pipe. It's been, you know, a concern of mine since I had the tune. So now that we have the charge pipe, now on to more fun. So most likely we'll be going back to Kies Motorsports very soon for boot mode. And who knows, we'll see. You know, maybe we got to get some forged carbon, some parts, more parts for the car. So like I was saying earlier I saw the forged carbon at the shop, and it's like, wow, like literally videos, pictures just don't do it really any justice at all. And you see it up, like right in front of your face, up close and personal, it's wow. It looks way better than the carbon fiber. I've always loved the carbon fiber, but you know, I've heard it before. You know, Thick F30 said it on his channel. Like, that's the new thing. People are going to be doing forged carbon all day, and I mean, he ain't wrong. It looks real good. So once again, shout out to Kies Motorsports, Brian and Cliff. I appreciate you guys. Alright, so looking back, thinking back a little bit, I really didn't get as much footage as I kind of wanted to, but I kind of got caught up with Cliff, you know, just talking about, you know, BMWs and trying to learn and soak up as much as I could. Super knowledgeable, and Brian showed up a little bit later on, so I didn't get to talk to him much, but it was definitely cool meeting him. I felt like I walked out of there knowing so much more about, you know, what's underneath the hood of my car. And I'm just so happy I don't got to worry about this charge pipe blowing. That was a good day. Taking my 30-minute cruise home. I can't believe I've never gone here before. It's literally insane being that I live 30 minutes away. But, you know, Kies Motorsports, you know, a little hidden gem over in South Jersey. Once again, I appreciate you guys, Brian and Cliff. Shout out to Kies Motorsports. I'll leave a link to the website in the description below. I'll leave a link to the Instagram. Definitely go check them out if you don't already know. You guys should know already. I mean, Kies Motorsports definitely making a name for themselves. So, if you're new here, definitely go smash that subscribe button for your boy. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, you know, another day in the life of Speedy Gons. Our first trip over to Kies Motorsports. Like I had mentioned prior, Kies Motorsports Auto Show, July 7th, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Come hang out. It's going to be a good time. It's for a good cause. So, I mean, I didn't even know that until Brian posted his video today, and I talked to them a little bit about it. So, that's a beautiful thing for them to, you know, not only give everything away to, you know, to raise money for a family in need, but to surprise them as well. So, I respect that. It's a beautiful thing. It really is. So, shout out to Kies Motorsports. I appreciate you guys. Woo! It's been a long day. I'm hyped. I'm content. If you found this video useful, give it that thumbs up. And like I said, if you're new here, definitely go smash that subscribe button for your boy. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.